7:45. Start of this week. Oops, sorry. The start of this week, we are spooling our new rod. Aggie bought me this lovely rod for Christmas. And now we have some 40-pound braided line. Hopefully we've spooled it right, and hopefully we can catch some dinner.
Shout out to Sarah again for making us these beautiful curtains that we are going to now putting up. We've got 4 made so far, we got 3 little ones left. Hi! So,
sandy toes.
yes, we are on our way to Lasagna Natural, which is a little, which is a little hidden pool near the Seven Seas beach. Ryan trying to clean out his Crocs. This has taken us about 15 minutes so far. But we're meant to be on the purple one.
You girl's lost. You.
Oopsie.
Oh, cool. Look, good job, good job, good job, good job. Watch your step. Woo! Come here. Here's our so soon to be old battery. Maybe it's a new battery, but anyway, it's a different story. So we have a compressor from a fridge, which, how long have we not had a fridge for?
A month and a half.
A long time. So we had this compressor shipped from France, and we've connected it up, and it bump starts and then gets low voltage. So we assumed there's a bad connection somewhere between the compressor and the battery. So we've hunked out this big battery. You've had to wait in this battery. There's the battery. I feel like I need to appreciate the. Oh God. Watch your doors. And we made a little makeshift connector, which let's hope it doesn't blow up me this time. Positive first. If we watch the compressor, it starts. So the compressor works.
Hi, what are we doing?
Sorting out my bedroom because Aggie's mad at me.
Nice.
Well, we are wiring in a new solar panel setup. A lot's been done in 2 weeks. Feeding wires.
Good morning. So me and Ryan are finally departing today in about 2 hours. It is currently 5 AM and I've just woken up to do the last bits and bobs, like wash the deck, fill up the water tanks, and sadly our ESTA visas are going to be over in a week and they have not been accepted to allow us to stay here for another 30 days. Which is really sad because we're going to have to rush now through the Spanish Virgin Islands as well as the US Virgin Islands. Yes. Okay, so we're about to go see some of our neighbours.
How are you doing? Not bad, thank you. Can you see?
Okay, change of plan. we are doing the mosquito bit tomorrow, and today we're going to go view a little shipwreck.
So we are currently here in Ensenada Sun Bay, anchored in this little corner over here. We got some strong northeast winds, so it's protected but a bit swelly. I assume they just wrap around and in. But sorry for whistling, Aggie. We will need to go here, bioluminescent bay in Puerto Mosquito. So our plan is tomorrow morning to anchor in this little, what's it called? It is called Media Luna Vieques, maybe. Anchor here tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow night we can zip around in the dinghy, which you're not allowed a dinghy motor in here, you gotta anchor, which fair enough. Anchor? Row, fair enough. But we can dinghy in, see the bioluminescent hopefully, and then make our way up to Culebra, which is by here.
This way down to the black sand beach. We've been walking so far for what, an hour, right? Hour and a half, and now we're going downhill. So the way back is not gonna be fun.
Like one of those basic bitches, home hand. You ready for drone mode?
Ready.
Drone mode. Oh, really? We're back on the beach.
One thing we've learned, there are hundreds of horses on this island, isn't there?
There's quite a lot of horses. They look really old, too.
So I'm the man of the house now. I just put the engine up because Ryan doesn't go gym anymore, so he gets injuries.
I got injuries in the gym.
The bioluminescent bay was absolutely amazing. Everyone should definitely try it. We only paid $40 per person and it was a 2-hour experience. Sadly, this is the only thing I got out of the videos as nothing showed on camera.
Just went under your kayak. But the water looks kind of cloudy, kind of murky, kind of nasty. Really, that's just the organic matter from the leaves falling in the water and decomposing. And those leaves, they're really high in protein, really high in B12, which is really good for the dinoflagellates, but also makes the water really good for your skin, really good for your hair. If you have any cuts, sunburn, mosquito bites, it actually helps heal all that up a little bit faster. But there is no swimming allowed, guys, so please do not try to swim, or else I will be forced to drown. I'm glad we...
Oh, jeez. Home time. What do we just do?
Bioluminescent was really good, wasn't it?
It's been a That was really cool actually. That was a lot brighter than I anticipated. That's a lot brighter than I anticipated also.
Yeah, we're on our way home now. We
It's our
found
first-
our dinghy. No one's stolen our engine.
Yeah.
And there's Ponyo.
First nighttime thingy, right? Time to drag her back in.
Scary.
Come on, baby girl.